How to activate your Bank of America debit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can activate the debit card of your Bank of America. So to do that, first of all, open up the Bank of America app on your mobile device and simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, you'll have to tap on the Accounts tab, which is in the bottom left corner of your screen, and then simply select your debit card account. Now once you've done that, it will basically provide you details such as your card number, the status of your card, which is currently showing not activated, which is exactly what we're here to do. Then the option you will see activate card, manage card, replace card, lock card, etc. Simply tap on the one which says activate card. After that, tap on the option activate card again. Then you'll have to enter the last 6 digits of your card, which will usually be on the back side of the card. After that, enter the expiry date in MMYY format, and once you've done that, tap on the option continue. After that, you'll have to verify your identity, so simply choose one of these two options, and once you've done that, you'll have successfully activated your Bank of America debit card. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.